Om Ji Guruji. What does the initiation process entail and why is it emphasized for this practice?
Hari Om. This initiation process, we call it Diksha, Sanskrit, and in the Holy Bible it is called as a baptism. The baptism of Jesus by John, same thing. So the initiation process, the word Diksha, Diksha को अगर आप split करें, द और इक्षु, इक्षा, इक्षु means eye, dahana means burning, the burning eye. It is the process by which the Guru opens your third eye, awakens it at the time of initiation, जिसे हम कहते हैं गुरुद्वार. और जब ये द्वार खुलता है, it is called the blossoming in the space between the two eyebrows, bhrumadhya. There you realize that there is something within which is constantly, there is a glow, the glow of the inner light. Initiation process can be described into 3 steps. One is that you need a true Guru's touch to awaken your being which has been dormant or dead, like a dead battery, for a long time. It needs some awakening. It needs a jump start. It needs a spiritual surge. The person who gives that surge or that jump starts the dead battery is a true Guru. And a true Guru is one who himself sees that great light, the great Mahajyoti of God, of his own Guru. And at the time of that initiation process, the Diksha, he passes on that spiritual current, that light, onto the recipient, the disciple, and gives him a God experience by awakening the dormant Kundalini at the base of the spine. A divine God experience which brings him so much bliss that he realizes that there is something out there. There is a blissful current. Such a Guru is a true Guru, and such a disciple who receives that light with great Shraddha, with the faith, the sincerity and the loyalty and a deep desire for God, he is able to reflect that light into his own soul, in his own being, at the time of the initiation. However, just like जैसे कि आपकी कार की बैटरी जब आपने लाइट्स खुली छोड़ दी और सुबह आप उठे तो गाड़ी स्टार्ट नहीं हो रही है, so you need jump start. So Guru is giving this electrical surge, awakening your being, कि आप जाग जाओ, जागृति. So that will help that battery to run for a little while. It will give you some boost. So that is why people come with a lot of enthusiasm, and then after the initiation they get a lot of electrical energy, this energy of God through the Guru, which will help them on that journey with enthusiasm for some time. But after some time, if they don't make their own efforts, then what will happen, that battery will begin to again discharge. Guru is the one who gives that light. Disciple is the one who receives that light. But to hold on to that light and to maintain that light, his own efforts, sincere efforts, are extremely important. It is your own sincere efforts in practicing the Guru given guidance, the Guru given meditative techniques, जैसे कि पातंजलि योग दर्शन में दिया है, निरंतर डेली दीर्घकाल लंबे समय तक सत्कार, लव एंड डिवोशन फॉर गॉड और सेवा की भावना, जो ऐसा जब शिष्य ऐसे मार्ग पर चलने लगता है, तो then he is able to hold on to that light, not only to hold on, but to increase the amplification and the intensity as the mind begins to move from the ignorance of darkness into the daylight of the inner soul. The misery of a million incarnations begin to vanish. Your sincere efforts are of utmost importance after the initiation process. The initiation process itself is a divine experience that the Guru gives in the form of light, sound and God vibration, which helps you on that path for a little while. But the most important point I am trying to make, that you need to practice diligently, sincerely through your own efforts to maintain that. That will draw the infinite grace of both Guru and God. Please understand, 25% is your own effort, Shastra says. 25% the Guru makes on your behalf. And 50% is grace of God. मेरे ही शरण में रहो हमेशा. जो कुछ भी है ईश्वर है, ईश्वर के सिवा और कुछ नहीं है. तो आपको ये अब आज पता चला कि 75% is Guru and God. But you cannot depend on Guru and God 75% without your own efforts. Your own effort is of paramount importance. It is a precondition, a precursor, the sincerity, the loyalty and the faithfulness to the divine. It will guarantee that it will bring the all divine power and give you the inexhaustible charm of the inner joy and bliss of the soul. Hari Om.